There he saw a sweet meat seller hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, burfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance, and a crowd pressed round his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets, decorated with leaves of silver and gold. You might have seen at the sweet shops uh, some architecture, some patterns are made with the sweets like triangles or pyramids like that. So, same thing was there. The architecture of many colored sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold were placed, and people, crowd, pressed round his counter at the foot of that architecture, means at the base of that architecture. People were overcrowded around his counter at the entrance. The child stared open eyed and his mouth watered for the burfi that was his favorite sweet. I want that burfi, he slowly murmured. As the poor one knew nobody is going to buy things for him, so he slowly murmured, I want that burfi. But he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded, would not be listened. Heeded, listened. Plea, here is pleading, request. Plea is the request. Would not be listened because his parents would say he was greedy. As usual, he knew that parents would say some sort of that thing, that he was greedy. So, without waiting for an answer, he moved on. Poor child did not even wait for the answer, moved on, went away. Then he saw a flower seller hawked a garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. Irresistibly means very forcefully he was attracted. He went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped and half murmured. Again, in a slow voice, he said, I want that garland. But he knew well his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. So, without waiting for an answer, he moved on. Again, he knew the excuse his parents would make, so he moved on. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, and purple balloons flying from it. Oh, the most attractive things to the kids balloons. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. Carried away, again attracted. The child was simply attracted by the rainbow glory of their silken colors. Silken colors means colors like silk. Uh, Glory here is the beauty of, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire. Overwhelming desire is excess desire, too much desire to possess them all. But he knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because at this they would say, they would give the excuse that he was too old to play with such toys. Means he was now not so young to play with these toys. So he walked on farther. Use of to conjunctions we learned last year. So he was too old to play with such toys. Then a snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket. Coiled means made a round and round structure of itself in a basket. Its head raised in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ears like the gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. Rippling is the sound made by the waterfall. So here the comparison is made between invisible waterfall, the sound made by the invisible waterfall, with the sound of the invisible music. Stole into its invisible ears. At this music, the snake raised its head in a graceful bend, like the neck of a swan. The child went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer played, he proceeded farther. Already he recalled that his parents has forbidden him to hear such coarse music. Coarse here is harsh music, which was not very soothing, which was not very soft. Snake charmer played, he proceeded farther. Then after that, there was a roundabout in full swing. Roundabout was a swing, and in full swing means it was going up and down in the full speed. Men, women, and children, carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. Whirling is rotating motion. Shrieked and cried is the same thing almost. With dizzy laughter. Dizzy here, dizzy word means getting faint. So the laughter which made people feel like fainting. So the laughter was dizzy. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout, please, father, mother. He pleaded to both of them and asked them to make him to have a round of the roundabout.